In this topic, let us look at how to differentiate infinite series. For example, if you have y is equal to x power x power x power x so on up to infinity. So instead of y is equal to just x power x, let us take this as the function. So how do we find dy by dx? That's the question. So how do we solve infinite sequences or series? So we use the fact that if we remove one term out of infinite terms, so if you remove one term from an infinite series, the series won't get affected. So if one term is removed from an infinite series, the series won't get affected. So this is something that we are going to use when we solve infinite series. So what we do is, it is x power x power x power x so on up to infinity. This power x is continuing up to infinity. So what we do is, we take out one x and we consider this. So if you read this, what is this? This is also x power x power x power x so on up to infinity. So initial y is x power x power x power so on up to infinity. The expression inside the circle is also x power x power x power x so on up to infinity. So what we do is, before differentiation we write y is equal to x to the power y again. Because if you remove one x from y, the remaining expression will also be equal to y. So y is equal to x power y. So once you get this expression, the infinite series has disappeared. It has become a straightforward problem of differentiation. So you can use our logarithms to differentiate this. So log y is equal to y log x. So if you differentiate both sides with respect to x, so 1 by y dy by dx is equal to y by x plus log x times dy by dx. This implies if you send all dy by dx terms onto one side, so dy by dx times 1 by y minus log x is equal to y by x. So you can just send it into the denominator. So dy by dx is equal to y by x times 1 by y minus log x. So if you want to take the LCM, you can do that. So which is equal to y square by x times 1 minus y log x. So this is the function dy by dx. So I hope you understand the basic of how to solve an infinite series question in a differentiation chapter.